Hey friends, and welcome back to your girl Brittanee, and welcome to the last video of the A2 card swap reveals. If you missed out on the first two groups, make sure you go back, like, comment, share, subscribe, and show your love to those ladies. Their links are down below in the description box, as well as the ladies from today's video. So we had Twyanna, we had Tracy, and we have Adrienne. Let's go. So first up, we have Twyanna, who is Miss T Creates, and look at how cute. You know, I'm not really drawn to blue. Don't let the mat fool you. I just have it flipped on the other side, but I'm not really drawn to blue as much as others are, but this is super, super pretty. I do like the soft palettes when it comes to certain colors like that. This is just really, really pretty. This screams spring, and I absolutely love it. So she has this cute pen. Look at how cute that is. Oh, fancy. Click, click. Hey, that works. I love it. And then this is her fun fact stuff, so we'll get to that in a second. So here is her cute little pouch. So as a reminder, they were to do a completed card and then create a kit using the elements and placing in all the elements that they used to do the finished card, as well as some social media information, some fun facts, and then they had to do this cute little envelope here. And this was a tutorial, not done by me, but they had to follow that to house their cards in. And so this is so cute. Absolutely love the bow. Love the flower that you have in the center there. She did a Velcro closure. And so inside we have, all right. So, and I loved seeing throughout the reveals, I love seeing how all of you packaged up your kits. You all did something different, and like that gives you ideas of what to do later on in the future, or what works best for you, or what you think is cool. You're like, oh, I never thought of that. So I absolutely love, and I'm all about packaging. You guys know a lot of my tutorials are based around packaging, and I never have anything that goes inside the packaging. I just have the packaging itself. And so I love packaging. And so with Twyanna's, she did everything separately. So you have each kit and each individual one, which is actually really, really cool. So when you're ready to go ahead and make the card, all you gotta do is just grab the one. You have all of your contents on the inside of one pack. So I love that idea. Very, very smart. And so we are going to take a look at the finished product. So here it is. How adorable are you? And again, it's that fun little flip over card. I don't know. That just makes me happy. I just love doing that. I better stop before I break it. So it does lay flat depending on how you decorate it. You still can put a stamp on it and send it off. She has the trim here from Hobby Lobby. It has some really pretty paper flowers with the gems in the center. It says hello right here. And then you have your handmade by Twyanna. And again, she is Miss T Creates here on Tube and over on the gram as well. So really, really cute. And I love the paper that you used on there as well. Very, very precious. And then look at her cute little card here. She has a little oops, breaking things. She has a decorated clothespin with the rosettes and flower in the center. And so we have, look at this cute little tag. How adorable are you? And it says hello. Well, hello there. All right. So again, she's Miss T Creates here on YouTube and over on the gram. Her birthday passed back in January. Her favorite colors are all pastels, yellow, peach, and teal. She loves making tags, tag flips, and memory decks. So some fun facts. It's only me living in my house. When things go missing, I can't blame anyone. I just don't know where I put it. I love that because well, I have my kids with me, and usually because my son is 6, my daughter is 15, and so unfortunately she's the first one to blame because, well, she's a girl. So if I am missing hair products, facial products, clothes, anything, where's my stuff? You know, and then like later on she'd be like, what? And I'm like, I can tell when she's lying, and I'm just like, and then I'm like, I do go back if and then I realize that it actually wasn't her and I misplaced it, then I do go back and I apologize. Like, my fault. I found it. My fault. My fault. But I do have somebody to blame. She lives in Florida. Was born and raised in Washington, D.C. City girl. She hates reptiles. Lizards always getting in the house. You know what? Lizards don't bother me. They're crawling about over here in the Carolinas, and because they eat the spiders, so they don't bother me. They do freak me out when they are in my house, because first of all, I see something crawling up in my house, but I'm not too pressed. The only thing that bothers me is that if I can't find you to release you back out in the wild, in the backyard, I don't want you crawling on my face when I'm sleeping. So that's the only thing that scares me. But other than that, they don't bother me. She says, most people drink coffee to wake up. Not me. I just love coffee anytime. Yes, I don't drink coffee to wake up as well. I drink coffee to keep myself out of jail, because there's people outside. But other than that, do love the taste of coffee. And did I read all of her fun facts? Oh, okay. That is so fun. I love it. I just love the part where you're just like, I can only blame myself because I'm by myself. So it's all my fault. So absolutely amazing. Guys, make sure you go check Twyanna out at Miss T Creates. And we're going to go on to the next. Next, we have Tracy, who is Mrs. TLC1 here on the gram, or here on YouTube and over on the gram. And I love this cute little Ziploc that you put this in. This is so pretty. I absolutely adore it. It is just so, so pretty. And so this is what her swap looks like. Oh, I have this collection. This is so cute. This is Doodlebug. I cannot remember what it's called off the top of my head. Meekaboo, if you're watching, I'm sure you know. So let everybody else know, please. And thank you. As well as Tracy. But Meekaboo, Shamika, she's diehard, one of the diehard Doodlebug fans. But look at how cute this pen is, and these colors go so well with the collection. Absolutely cute. I love this. So cute. And I love, like, this bow looks like it glows in the dark. Wait, hold on. Does it? Do you glow in the dark? Oh, I think you do. Oh my gosh, I can't tell. But I think you do. Maybe, might be Delulu, but that is so cute. I love the little flower hanging here. And then it says, sending you love. She has a little doily die cut, little heart and butterfly puffy sticker. She used her border punch at the lid part, and it's also a Velcro closure. So then we taketh everythingeth outeth. And oh, she has a cute little gift as well. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this goes part with the decorating of the cards, but this is so adorable. I love these. Y'all know I don't go shopping anymore. So I absolutely love this, and this is going to be perfect because I have a swap that I'm participating in, and I can use that. So thank you so much. And so here are her contents. So she has her envelopes, she has her bases, and then she has all of her contents for decorating inside here. It looks like we have some matted butterflies, absolutely gorgeous, with the glitter paper. We have some border cuts, look like we have some phrases, big circles. Again, I love this collection, so stinking pretty. So our card, boom boom boom, how cute are you? It says, just because. She added some puffy stickers on the side there, butterfly right in the middle. You have your cardstock here going over your border, the circle in the background, really, really cute. And then you have your matting piece on the inside. You are so adorable. I love it. And then we're on to her fun facts. Look how cute this little card is. Home sweet home with her little puffy stickers at the bottom. Has a puffy sticker rainbow in the cloud. This is so stinking adorable. I love it. All right. So again, she's Mrs. TLC1 here on Tube and over on the gram. Birthday was back in April. And fun fact, she says, I love medicinal smells such as Vicks and Bengay. Ew. Ew. I have no words. You're all on your own like that. See, I'm the weirdo who walks down the laundry aisle. Even though I don't need to get laundry detergent, I just walk down there because that's my favorite smell. I love like fresh linen, fresh laundry, like even like, candle scents and stuff like that. Like that's one of my favorite smells. And so like I could just be walking down and then get a whiff of the laundry aisle, and I'll quickly walk down there real quick. A man in his cologne does nothing for me, but baby, if you smell like fresh Tide and Downy, I am all over you. So bet. um and then last year, back in 2023, she read 76 books. Girl, get out. Like, now, were these chapter books? I need because, I could easily read 76 books if I was reading, the step 1, step 2, step 3 books for little kids when they start to learn how to read. That's literally 10 pages of 3 words on there. Oh, but trust and believe, I can read 76 of those in about a month. So are these chapter books? Are these, those thick hardcover, thousands of pages, 50 million chapters? What kind of books are we talking about? And do magazines count? What are we all counting here for books? But oh my goodness, kudos to you. I like that. So guys, make sure you go ahead and check out Tracy over at Mrs. TLC 1. Last but certainly not least, we have Adrienne, who is Crafting with Adrienne. And oh my gosh, if you are a Hello Kitty fan, well baby, this is for you, because look at all this Hello Kitty goodies. And then like this head came out and I was like, oh my goodness, it's a Hello Kitty Pop-Tart. Ah, how cute is that? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. That is so stinking cute. And then she's added so many fun Hello Kitty goodies. Like, look at this charm. Aren't you adorable? Oh, you're just so stinking cute. I love it. And then she's also added some more little cabochon pieces. We have like the little candy bag here. And then these are Hello Kitty hearts. I love this black one. That's so pretty. Oh, so cute. And then she also has, these are huge. Where do you get these from? Look at these. Oh my goodness. We have these giant Hello Kitties. You got the face. And you know what? I used to be a diehard like Sanrio fan. Like, I would like Hello Kitty everything. And I don't know. I'm just like, look at how cute these are. And they're not cracked. That's just like the plastic covering on there. It says McDonald's. We got little Egg McMuffins. That is so cute. I love this. And then her pen. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so cute. Got a Louis Vuitton Hello Kitty. Get out. Girl, get out. Miss Adrienne, I'm going to need you to sit down somewhere. And if you guys have not been following her, she has been showcasing a lot of her calligraphy work. And it's absolutely amazing. And I am just in awe. And the time and the patience, kudos. So make sure you go ahead and follow her over on Instagram and everything, so you can go ahead and be in awe as well. So we have her cute little A2 card bag. It says hello, the pretty little scallop doily in the background. We have that Hello Kitty Pop-Tart. It's on Hello Kitty paper. Like, girl, get out. And then her envelopes are here. The little Hello Kitty sticker in the corner. And then she's added the additional stickers for you for when you put your cards together. And then Velcro closure. This is some real sturdy paper. This bad boy is thick. It's super sturdy. Like, you can literally carry this as a clutch. Like, this bad boy is sturdy. Like that, girl. Better quit playing. So we have all of her. So she also separated her. So there's 4 different cards, or 4 cards with 2 different designs. We have like the little stickers there for you to apply on there. We'll take a look at the final look of her card. Oh, there it is. And I was like, I know there's more to it. And then here are the matting pieces. So you have hello, we have the little doily, and then we have the circles there and the really pretty foil cut. And so here is the finished product. Oh, look. Hello Kitty. So here we go, the cute little card here. So she does have hers flipping up in a vertical form. I'm pretty sure you can do it however you makes you feel fancy. But of course you want to make sure you go in the direction of the paper and the way it's cut. So then she has a circle with her doily on top. And then it says hello. Really cute Hello Kitty paper in the background. And then we got the Hello Kitty there in the corner. How cute. Oh, adorable. Oh, adorable. This image is, oh, so much. Hello Kitty beautifulness. And then here's her cute little card here. The Hello Kitty. Oh, does it remind me of like one of those like rub-on tattoos? I don't know why. It is so cute. And it says hello there. All right. So her birthday is coming up July 28th. Again, she is crafting with Adrienne. Her fun fact, she crochets and she writes books and poetry, and she has been showcasing a lot of the things that she crochets as well. And I'm not sure if she's doing any craft fairs, but I know she has been selling them. So kudos to you. She likes pink, and then you write books and poetry. You know what? I am a writer. It's not something that I like am in love with. I'm just good at it. I can write a story. I can write me like a real BA essay. I'm telling you, like my essays are phenomenal. Like I will toot my own horn on that because my essays are amazing. But so I love that. I would love to hear your poetry sometimes. She likes pink, shabby chic, or clean and simple. And again, I'm not sure if I said it, but she is crafting with Adrienne. And then I want to go ahead and give you an example of her calligraphy work. So look how amazing her work is. So yeah, oh my goodness. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for showing your love to all the ladies. Again, their links will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to check out the other videos of the ladies who are here before them, and check these ladies out as well, of course. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go check out Adrienne at Crafting with Adrienne. And while you're at it, go say what's up to Tracy at Mrs. TLC1. Oh, and don't forget, we have Miss T Creates, who is Twyanna. So thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for playing. You guys did an absolutely fantastic job. Loved every single one of your guys' cards. I couldn't ask for a better group of people to participate. Thank you so much, guys. And until next time, bye.